Right, so this is the latest acquisition. We have a CBR600F. Eagle-eyed among you will spot it's the one out my expensive bikes rant. Paid 650 quid for this beastie, and it actually rides pretty well. However, we have a carburation issue, so as you can see, I got the tank off, got some of the fairings off, try to take as little off as possible, try to get the carbs out. I've got some rebuild kits coming, so I can be ready to go when they arrive. I got some kits with it off the guy that was selling it. As you can see, it's about 31,000 miles, something like that on the clock. It's just got a flutter and a hesitation, so you'll kind of hit the gas and it'll take a couple of seconds to catch up with you. You'll feel it kind of stuttering about. It's nothing. I think by doing a wee bit of kind of homework, it sounds like it might be the emulsion tubes and needles go into, but I'll just do full rebuilds in the carbs anyway. I thought I might film it for a wee giggle, see if anybody wants to see it. Make a wee change to button on the scooters. So as you can see, in the middle of it right now, we update once I get the carbs out. They're pretty well packed in there. As you can see, we have diaphragms are all fine, no problems with anything like that. So we'll see where we go. Right, so current state of affairs, got the carbs off. Pardon me. I'm watching a bit of still game in the background while I'm doing this. Paused it so we don't get a copyright strike. So carbs are off. The rebuild kits that came with the bike were eBay specials. I'll show you the packaging now. There were 4 rebuild kits in this wee plastic packet, which kind of tells you all you need to know. And the jets and tubes and stuff all looked pretty different to what was in there already. Right, so that's the state we're in at the moment. Obviously tools everywhere as usual. Starting to get the airbox back together and remember where all these bloody pipes go. Okay people, excuse the noise in the background, got Linus Tech Tips playing in the background on autoplay. Carbs back on, airbox back on, going for a start up. And there we go, putting away pretty well. I'll put it back together. I need to fix this wonky indicator. I'll put new indicators on it, but it's gone not too bad. Idle's a wee bit high. And I need to get it a run. But hey ho.